for shizzle my nizzle.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
All right, what Trigger Man? Back in the lab. And today, what we have here. Today we got a Beamer, paint code I believe is 416. Hood, fender, and door. This was a key job. Female, keyed up the vehicle, keyed all over it, keyed on the side. Gentlemen, press charges, okay? Prosecute to the fullest extent. That's the only way they're gonna stop. We got another one in the shop too, a GMC beautiful black truck, keyed up. Press charges, okay, please, because they would do it to us. Prosecute. That's the only way they're gonna stop, because this ain't right, man. Keyed up the mad Beamer, you know what I mean? Oh, man. But, so yeah, we're gonna be doing this. I'm gonna use the InnoCraft Drizzle D1 for this, okay? You've seen it before. Yeah, this is it. The low volume, low pressure spray gun, okay? Small compressor, spray gun. That's what we're gonna do, okay? Equipped with a 1.3. We're gonna seal, base, and clear this job with the D1, okay? You guys that wanna go a step up above the electric sprayer, this will be the one, okay? So, again, press charges, man, press charges. They would do it to us, you know what I'm saying? Every time one threatened me like, oh, Trigger Man, oh, I'll key your car. I said, go ahead. I paint cars. The insurance company gonna write me a check. I'm gonna paint it myself. I'm gonna make money. You going to jail. So, whatever. Key up my car. I love when they threaten me with that. I'm gonna key your car. I'm gonna key your car. Ooh, I saw a text message you sent. Key it. Key it. I got ring camera, surveillance camera, hidden camera, eyeballs, witnesses. You going to jail. Yeah. Anyway, so I'm gonna go mask up, mix up, and we'll.
Trigger Man. Hey, bro. Why you still got the BMW badge on the car, bro? Come on, man. Man, you got a lot of new subscribers, man. These guys are gonna roast you, bro. That's not cool, man. Hey, come on. 3, 5 and 3 is 8. 38 PSI with the drizzle. For shizzle my nizzle. But yeah, Trigger. Man, you got the damn BMW badge sitting in the middle of the hood, bro. Man. You got like 6,000-7,000 new subscribers, man. These guys, they only know you from the electric spray gun. They ain't got a piece of this yet, man. They're gonna roast your ass, Trigger. I be trying to tell you, bro. Take the damn badge off. Take the handles off. Take the mirror. But you don't listen, bro. You don't listen. You don't listen to me, Trigger. And why you spraying the damn sealer like that all over the place, bro? Man, these guys are gonna roast you, man. I'm gonna take the back seat and let these guys have their way with you, man. This is... And you got the door handle. See? The door handle. Come on, Trigger. You got the damn door handle in the car, man. In the BMW badge. Man, Trigger. Unsubscribe.
Okay, so that's 4 turns out on the fluid, 3 turns out on the fan. Pressure spraying at 32 PSI. In case you guys were wondering why I was spraying my sealer like a madman, I was actually out of sealer waiting on the paint company to bring me a gallon. They never showed up and I had to get moving. So I just wanted to be sure that I had enough sealer to cover my primered areas first. So that's why I kept shaking it, putting it up to my head, seeing how much I had. And it was enough. It was close, but it was enough. So that's why I was spraying primer like that. I mean sealer, spraying the sealer like that. I'm sure there was some kind of pro painter that was like, what the hell is he doing? You know? So that's what that was. Okay. So here we are with the Drizzle D1 by InnoCraft. InnoCraft states that the spray gun will work with most compressors that are 10 plus gallons. So anything above 10 gallon compressor, then you are good to go with the InnoCraft. Okay. InnoCraft also states that the spray gun requires 3 CFM. So 3 CFM at 90 PSI. You won't be spraying 90 PSI. So sounds like you got plenty of wiggle room for you guys out there that like to wiggle. The spray gun is LVLP technology. That is low volume, low pressure. Again, being able to operate at lower CFMs than most professional spray guns. You have 2 different options when purchasing the spray gun. Each option will include the PPS 1.0 adapter, air regulator, as well as an oil and water separator. Okay, when you purchase the complete kit, that comes with 3 nozzles. You'll have a 1.3, a 1.5, and a 1.7. There's an optional 2.0 nozzle for thicker materials such as your 2K primers or epoxies and whatnot, and that is sold separately, but it is an option. Each spray gun does come with a 1-year warranty plus a free extension. So if you want to extend that warranty, that's also available for you. And at times I do get the smart ass that likes to say, oh, these cheap guns, you can't even get a rebuild kit, when normally the rebuild kit costs more than this spray gun would even cost you. But if you are one of those guys, guess what? Replacement parts are available for this gun. See, we got you covered with everything, bro. With the InnoCraft Drizzle D1 rebuild kit, they got it. You left your clear in the gun, it got hard, you can't clean it out, doesn't spray right. Toss those old parts, hit up InnoCraft. I need another 1.3. I'm spraying some clear. I need you to next day deliver it, and they got you, man. As for me, I've been using the gun about a year now. I use it weekly out in the shop. I cut in parts, I do small jobs with it. So far, no sign of wear. It sprays just like the day it did when I got it. Okay, but I do take care of my spray gun, so you know it's all going to depend on how you clean your gun. This is what we look like after 1 coat of clear. Just wanted to give you guys a quick look. That's 1 coat with the AmTech clear, which is in my Amazon store if you guys are interested. Okay, and now getting ready for the second and final coat, 40 PSI. That's 40 PSI with the trigger pulled. That's important, with the trigger pulled. Okay, and that's trigger pulled with paint coming out, not trigger pulled and just air coming out. So whenever I reference something with the PSI with the trigger pulled, that's trigger pulled when you see fluid coming out. Okay, it's important. It's small, but it's important for you guys that are out there trying to really narrow in, dial in your materials, your spray gun. And again, it's going to vary depending on your materials. With my materials, this AmTech Clear, which I've been spraying for January, is going to make 13 years. I know where I need it to be, and those settings give me the results that I like. Okay, so if you're using a different clear, your results and your settings may vary. So don't go hit me up talking about, man, Trigger Man, you told me this PSI, you told me this, and I got runs. It varies. Okay, you might be spraying somewhere on the other side of the planet. Your conditions are going to be different than mine. Okay, had a bunch of guys a little while back, I forget the spray gun, but they were comparing my settings versus some other guy's settings that paints in a different part of the world where it's cold, where it's what else, he sprays like little motorcycle tanks or something like that, and it's like, you guys can't compare that. It's not apples to apples, you know. This climate is different. I use a 1.4. I think they said he used a 1.3. It's like when you just hit up a random person and what's your settings? 1.2, 1.4, 1.4. It's different, bro. It all is different. Okay, depends on your climate, your spraying conditions, a lot of different factors. Your air movement, a lot. Your technique. So these things vary. Just things to keep in mind when you're asking those questions, you know.
All right, we got it done. We got it done. That's what we're looking like. 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 Yeah, a couple of spots of dirt I got to buff out, but comes with the territory. Comes with the territory. But yeah, that's the old drizzy. The drizzle for shizzle my nizzle. For shizzle my nizzle, the drizzle. But yeah, so end of the day today, so we'll get it out in the sun tomorrow morning and take a peek at it, see what we got. But yeah, that's good. So a step up from the electric sprayer. Next step up would be this guy. Boop. Yeah, so catch you guys in the morning. We'll pull it out, see what it looks like. All right. Next morning. Top of the morning to you. Top of the morning. Good morning, everybody. So this is what we're looking like next morning. And again, this is just letting you guys know the gun is capable. That's all I do here. I let you know that the gun's capable. What it's capable of, okay? I gotta do some buffing. I got a couple little specks of dirt, so I leave everything sealed up until I'm finished compounding and buffing, because I don't want it going inside of the jams. But that's what we got, man. That's where we're at with it. That's the drizzle for shizzle my nizzle. The drizzle for shizzle my nizzle. Okay. So, end of the day, guys, like I always say, it's only a spray gun. Now go have fun.
Okay, fellas, so those are your results with the InnoCraft Drizzle D1, okay, with the AmTech Clear. Links will be in the description as well as in my Amazon store. I want to thank you guys for watching. I would ask that you please give a thumbs up, share the video with a friend, drop a comment. Hope you enjoyed the show. Catch you in the next one. Peace.